Hey everyone, it's Judy Klock at Crafty Clock Designs coming to you today with another little lesson at lunch. And today I am featuring the Biggest Wish stamp set. This stamp set will carry over from the current annual catalog to the new annual catalog. And I'm also featuring this stamp set in my May class. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and register. I still have a couple of spots left, but they're going fast. So let's go ahead and get started. This is really just a simple card today. We're just going to use a couple of different stamp colors, ink colors, and this pretty Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper. This is new, that will be released with the new catalog on May 3rd. So let's go ahead and get started. I have here a piece of our thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I'm just going to burnish that fold with my paper bone. Then I'm going to add to it a piece of Granny Apple Green that is 1 3/4 by 5.5, and a piece of that Hues of Happiness DSP that is 1 1/2 by 5.5. So let's go ahead and layer up these two pieces right here, and then we'll add that to our card base. This is going to be such a quick design, but it's going to be pretty. And I think you'll see how quickly this will go together. All right. And we've got this, and I'm just going to put this maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch from that folded edge. So not very far. And then I'm just going to go down with the big printed happy. I've got a piece of hair on my stamp. Let me get that off. And then I'm just going to start. I'm going to stamp it in Flirty Flamingo. And I'm going to stamp one happy. Clean off our stamp, and then we're going to go add some Granny Apple Green. And I'm just going to try to eyeball it and match up the H's, so hopefully they line up. Now, I should have used my Stampin' Pierce mat. I forgot, because I'm using photopolymers. Then I've got some Pool Party. Again, just going to line up those H's. And lastly, we're going to finish with some gorgeous grape. Trying to figure out which dog just came down. That would be Trooper. Okay. And then we're going to take this scripted birthday, and I'm going to use the Memento Tuxedo Black. And I'm just going to stamp it on an angle right across my 4 happies. So there you have a very quick and easy but colorful happy birthday card. Just a happy, 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 happy birthday. And of course, if you wanted to put something on the inside, you certainly could. Now, I noticed that's just a tad longer than my card base. So I'm just going to take my paper snips, and I'm just going to trim that right off. There we go. And there we have our happy, 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 happy birthday. So this is a really quick little lesson at lunch, but look for this stamp set. It's currently available. It will carry over into the new catalog. If you do not have a demonstrator and you would like a copy of the catalog, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to send one out to you. That's it for me. I hope you all have a great week. I'll see you Thursday night right here at 7:30 for my live. Bye now.